6 weird things on Amazon I actually like. Number 1 is my Octo Buddy that has 32 little suction cups on the front and a restickable adhesive back that will stick to the back of your phone and allow you to stick your phone to the fridge, to the window, to the wall, to the inside of your laundry, to the mirror, or even your headboard.
What?
Plus, you can even get this thing wet and clean it and it'll still stick afterwards.
That's cool.
Number 3 is my butter dish that has a little scoop on the end so it'll always be easy to get your butter. Number 5 is my motion sensor desk lamp that looks so good and has so many adjustable settings. You can adjust the color, the light level, the angles, and there's even a little clock you can adjust.
Okay.
Number 2 is my refillable sunscreen applicator that makes it so easy to apply sunscreen evenly, smoothly, and quickly, especially when it's time to reapplicate.
Hold up.
Number 4 is my back stretcher that has helped me start stretching my old man dad back.
Old man?
I've been doing it every day for a couple minutes and I can feel my spine start to limber up so I can be more comfortable doing the things that I like to do.
Nice.
Number 6 is my laundry turtle that helps me easily get all my laundry out of the dryer. Just stick it in, rotate it around, and then you can easily take it all out without dropping a sock.
Okay, thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.